Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the L sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The L sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word lo lắng. Now let's see how to pronounce the L sound. First, the tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge behind your upper front teeth. Lower the back of the tongue. Now let's talk about the airstream. Release the air along the sides of your tongue. Open your mouth slightly. And the last thing you have to remember about the L sound, that it is a voice sound. So you have to add your voice by vibrating your vocal cords like L, 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 lo lắng. Now let's try to say some words with the L sound. I'm going to say the word first, then it will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is la, 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 lo, li, lớp, lớn, lợn, lông, lưng, lạnh, lòng, lươn, lương, luyện, lạnh lùng, lam lũ, long lanh, lập lờ, líu lo, lo lắng, lành lặn, luôn đuôn. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the L sound. We are going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Con lươn nó luồn qua lườn con lợn. Now a little bit faster. Con lươn nó luồn qua lườn con lợn. Now with normal speed. Con lươn nó luồn qua lườn con lợn. Long, luôn, luôn, lạnh, lùng. Now a little bit faster. Long, luôn luôn, lạnh lùng. Now with normal speed. Long luôn luôn lạnh lùng. Lượng, lo lắng, khi lên lớp. Now a little bit faster. Lượng, lo lắng, khi lên lớp. Now with normal speed. Lượng lo lắng khi lên lớp. Lúa, nếp là lúa, nếp, làng. Lúa, lên, lớp, lớp, lòng, nàng, lân, lân. Now a little bit faster. Lúa nếp là lúa nếp làng. Lúa lên, lớp lớp, lòng nàng, lân lân. Now with normal speed. Lúa nếp là lúa nếp làng. Lúa lên lớp lớp, lòng nàng, lân lân. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.